It is the code name for now. It is a new product. It's a beta product. So this is me like 7-8 years ago. And so I don't know much Estonian or Russian, so I will be doing my presentation in English. I mean, most of my Estonian is like minimally classical and I think more stuff. So I better do it in English. I hope you understand. Well, at the end of my presentation, if you have any questions, they will be, our friends will help you translate them to English for me. And I will try to make it as non-technical as possible, so I will put some random animal pictures here and there. One of them is my favorite rabbit. And yeah, so let's start. Oh, okay, awesome. So I will talk about Earthly Cloud. I will talk what it is and how do you use it and how to develop apps on it, which is the main purpose of the platform and also the future about the platform. So what is Earthly Cloud? So I will first tell a few about the theoretical parts of the Earthly Cloud. Then I will show you a demo which you will say that, wow, this is a nice product. I hope so. So, it is, okay, so it is our newest, one of our newest projects. It's a side project that we've been working on for a while. And it's separate than an Earthly product or the family, so it doesn't look the same. It has a different, one of our new designs. It is a new independent platform for now. And it's active beta, it is work in progress, we're still developing on it. A nice team of people, including me, are working actively on the project. And this Earthly Cloud is right now the code name. We will have much more details determined in the future. And so what it is it's an application platform for business applications, like an app store in Apple or a Play Store in Android. So which has your apps, which can have Earthly's like common apps, or which can have other people's apps which you can use. So, and the technical definition for the people who seek more, like developers, is it's a multi-tenant, well, lots of terms, so it's a scalable multi-tenant serverless application platform for business apps. And so, actually, this explains much more because it is a real cloud. It's not one server. It has a really you can use for a small company or a really big company of yours, and it is for businesses. So you said that hey, App Store for business applications. Yeah. So this is an example App Store for iPhone and iPads. iPad, and this is the first screenshot that I will show you. So in the middle, this is our App Store, where two applications are open in two different windows. These are basic applications, which I will tell what is a basic application later, but this is the platform. So you have lots of applications, you add new applications, you merge them, you combine them, and you can use it for your company. It could be like few applications, it could be hundreds of them, it could be small applications or big applications, and we will see how after looking a little more on the screenshots. So, I will show you more screenshots later, so don't worry. So, why did we build this product? Well, as Earthly, we're trying to not create the best products for now, but also for the future. So one of our projects, one of our ideas was to make the applications separate and scalable. So like, as an example, so like for example, in your phone, you have lots of applications for different purposes, right? And every application maybe is the best in their own area. So what we're trying to achieve with the Earthly Cloud is to create those best applications or to let other people to create them and merge them so you will have the best platform. You won't be bound to one product. normally you use one company's products. Berkeley is best in many of its fields, but still it doesn't provide you all the applications you may need for now. But so you need other applications, and then you need integrations. You have to use integration between those applications, sometimes automatic, sometimes manual. Well, this is the platform. It does everything almost as automatically as possible. So, as I told you, these are actually applications. And what is an application, I will tell a little later in more details, but actually it's a web application. It runs on web, but we have also other plans to make them run on other platforms too. So, for example, there's two applications, Display Manager for the advertising management and phone book. It's really basic ones, but I will show you a little more complicated ones. And so this platform is bringing together all these separate applications. So you go to Berkeley.com and you go to our new platform, you log in, and then you'll see your applications as you can see on the top. It's your apps tab. And then you click application, you select your company, and this is our company, and there's a guy called Berkeley Awesome, and you click it, you saw, and this application was built in a few hours and was completed in less than a few days, completely from scratch, and it will take less and less time to build applications like that, and this is a really simple one. Right now we're making it shorter, so it will take a few hours, and maybe even faster in the future. But this is how it works, and it's a simple application. So we will see more on how do I use the Berkeley Cloud platform, and as I promised, this is a random cat picture. So you, same as with any other platform, you register on it, you create a company, everything on the cloud, since the cloud, Berkeley Cloud is a business application platform, everything is company related. It will not make any sense for now to use for personal. Well, you can, but you have to create a company anyway for the system. And then you select an application. There's an app store, a public app store that you can find applications from, and you install the application and voila, it's done. You log in, you log out, you log in again, and then you want to use another application or the same application. You just log in, select the application, select the company, and it runs. It's that easy. Well, creating those applications is also that easy, which I'll show you. So, this is the App Store, which has all the applications. So this is a public app store, like Apple's App Store or Google's Play Store. This is for business. So everything you or any other person, company creates as an application is publicly listed here. So like you go to App Store and see a program, download, or a game, it's the same thing goes here for a more complex way. And so you can create your own applications too. If the applications on the App Store is not enough, which we are building right now, some sample applications and some basic applications for business needs, and we will be developing also, we will be one of the publishers of those applications. You can also create your own. Just like Apple is creating their own versions of Microsoft Office and stuff, we will be also providing lots of applications for your needs, so it will boost the system. And yes, so the data is private. So like you install an application on your phone or your computer, your data is for yourself. It's the same goes for the cloud system. So you install an application and everything you do is company-based. That's why you select a company when you're launching an application. Because when you install an application, it automatically creates an isolated database, a secure one for your applications, web applications, and you always use that. And yeah, that system also allows you to use different companies at the same time and switch between them. So not just switch between the applications, but the companies. So So it gives one platform for everything. So, for example, this is a sample screenshot of a phone application, which is done really in a short amount of time in the early days. Now it's even faster to do. This is an advertising management, no video here, but this is a little recent version. It is for the managing services, bookings, clients, vehicles, and then managing the reservations of customer services, and etc. And all these applications, which are developed by us, Erply, are mobile ready, actually mobile first, even better, and they look really good on the tablets and mobile too. Let's watch it a little bit. So the good thing about this platform is making this kind of applications really easy. And there will be tons of applications like this one on the system. So Erply will be the primary vendor, but any company like Microsoft says that, hey, your system is awesome, so we'll just create applications for you. Yeah, sure, you can. Or you can say that, hey, I will create the best restaurant booking system ever and publish it on Erply Cloud. Yeah, you can. So, how do we create apps? Which is the part that I'm trying to emphasize most. Well, creating an application is, or creating any kind of software is a long process, especially for the businesses. And not just creating part, but also after you create it, you also will have lots of problems, or not problems, but stuff to do. Like you have to make the database work all the time. You have to make the application stay online all the time. You have to have automated backups. You have to have security, both internal and external permissions, and etc. Well, we do most of the stuff for you. So, first of all, what is an application on Erply? An application is actually a web application, which is any kind of isolated program that is running on the cloud Erply. So we have a basic application and we have complex one. Basic applications do only one stuff at a time, like managing your employees or contacts or departments. These are basic applications. So I told you in the start that this platform is not a one big application or one big program which you have lots of features. Instead, to achieve the same goal, you have 20, 30, 10, depending on your needs, different applications, and you merge them together and use them at the same time. So you go to employees, you manage your employees and their departments in a different application, but it doesn't have to look different. The data is different because it could be connected to other applications, but the platform is the same. It's the same website, it's the same system. We're just using a different application, a different space. So the complex applications are the applications that merge these different applications together. So fleet management, you have a client's application which is used by this fleet management. You have employees or maintenance guys who are doing the work for this. And you have vehicles for those clients, and you have a reservation system, a cloud, calendars to manage them, and many different applications. Each of them are microservice-like infrastructure. So each of those purposes can be an application. It doesn't have to. You can create a complex application as a single application, but this gives you the ability to extend those applications, and then it is unlimited possible. So, for example, and these applications are seamlessly working on the background. So you have an application on the right side which you add contacts, and in the left one, the data is synchronized because you can link the applications together. And what apps are already on Erply Cloud? So we are working on, and we already created lots of basic applications and some complex applications that allows you to get into the system and start using for your these basic needs, including, and these basic applications will be the basis of many applications anyway, which all the applications will have in common. like the employees and their departments and locations, and your customers and clients, contact persons, and company invoice information, addresses. What else? Assets management for any kind of assets. It could be like for libraries, or it could be for your company's IT stuff. We're building, and we already built actually all of these applications. Cool. In a really short amount of time. And why would you create an application? Because it's really, that's the first reason actually. It's not here. Maybe it should be a separate slide. It's really, really easy and fast, which you'll see now. To create an application, a web application, a business application which is scalable, secure, and everything else. But other stuff is like you have your applications, but you need more. You can have your own applications. You want to have your custom applications, so you want to. It's like Lego bricks, right? So you want to bring those Lego bricks together into a different, unique combination for your needs. Like, oh, this is what I need, and this type of application is not existing in the world yet. So you can do it with almost no effort or really minimum one. And so how to create an application on Mercury Cloud? That is the cool part. So we provide two different tools for creating and managing applications. One of them is called Builder, and the other one is Identity. So when you launch, when you register the system and start using it, you will have two different applications extra that you don't have to install because it's already there. And therefore, Builder is for creating, updating, publishing, version controlling, backing up, backup, restore application, an application to do all of those tasks. And there's an identity which to manage all the customers and employees and their application permissions. So the Builder application, you can start applications, run them, archive them, migrate them, backup them, then restore, or import data, export data, any kind of stuff that you can do, even more control. Almost anything you can imagine is possible, even right now, and we're always improving. And you can publish applications and create versions. Versioning is an important part. So what we are trying to achieve is you may create a version for yourself or for public. Maybe other people are using it. Well, it's a public app store, so anyone can use it all the time, as long as those applications are published. But here's the point. So you create a nice application, you upgrade it to a new version, you add lots of cool stuff. It doesn't break any other people's applications who are using the same but old version of that application. Instead, they can continue using the old version, but they will be notified and they can always update to the next version. So this system gives the ability to add more and more stuff without stopping your applications running for your company and for the companies. And this is the icon that is. Oh god, I should have more pictures. So, and this is the place where you manage the application. So this is early. I have to remind that this is a beta version. There's still some beta users are using it, but it's still in active development. So you can run them, start archive, backup, download, and anything else you can see here, and even more coming with regular releases. So how do you create an application? Well, you click this create new button here, and then it asks you, hey, what should be the name of the application? Say, my cool app. And then you say, hey, so what models, what different applications do you want to connect to this one? Well, I want to add phone book. So you can add 20, 30 applications in two different ways, either hard linked or soft linked, which is a little more technical stuff that you can read later. And then you say that, hey, I also want to have extra database and some tables on it. So you just add, hey, I want a database and a table named products, and these should be the fields, the columns of the database. And that you click create, and it automatically creates a JSON API for you. For the developers, I hope at least there's field. This is really cool because This allows you to not deal with any kind of server-side programming. So most of the stuff is automatically done by Earthly. The server, the database, data, the publishing of the data, accessing the data, the security of the permission, everything is automatically provided. So when you are creating an application, you just say, hey, I want these fields, and then you create a simple UI, which we will provide a tool to make it even easier and automated. But you make a simple UI and you have a business application which is solid and extended by other applications, and it's on a really cool platform. So, extra details for developers or anyone who can understand these gibberish things. So this wizard creates an isolated database for you. And it is for your company, it's for your own company's application data, and it has a GWT authorization. By the way, cool fact, you don't have to use, well, not you don't have to, but you can use other platforms with Cloud Earthly, not just by importing or exporting data as in a regular app, but you can also access the Earthly Cloud, any application's data on Earthly Cloud outside the system. So you have a booking system, a reservation, or any kind of like an embedded data forms on your website. You can embed this data using APIs that is provided with the GWT and API static keys. And Identity App, the secret app that allows you to manage the users who will use the application. So I told you that the system, our system is company-based. So all the applications depend on the company, and the companies has associates, and each associate will have an account for an application, and this gives you ability to manage the applications company-wide and the user-wide. And you can also add users outside the company. It doesn't have to be a member of the company, which you can invite them to an organization. And then you manage the permissions. So in the right screenshot, you can see that you can, this is like the, one of the earliest versions. We're developing all the time, but even now, we can say that this person should be only able to read and write, and this person should be able to read. And you can distinguish these permissions, both app side and UI side, and you can combine those with the different applications. So the more your applications you have, the more complicated structures you can create. So for example, person A should not be able to edit the contact records, but only add reservations, and person B should be able to do anything, probably he's a CEO or she. So, future plans. This is, the screenshots I showed you is mostly what we have right now, or what we had in a month ago. We're rapidly developing more features, and we will be doing that for a while. But what is in our minds for the future for this Earthly Cloud? So, okay, there's another one. So what we want to do is, first of all, create lots of applications, so it will be much easier to use these applications online. This is a different platform. This is a new side project for now, but it will be one of the coolest things ever in the future. And what we're trying to achieve is to allow and create really the application, complex application for complex needs in the future. And also integrations, so it will be easier to integrate and import and export data here. And, well, I think I listed everything on this slide. Yeah. And we will provide more information, since this is the first time we're publicly telling you about this application, this platform, Earthly Cloud. There will be more info coming about most of the details. So if you want to try the platform, you can contact us and tell us our interest, and our friends will help you to create an account. Since it is a private beta. We're still trying to make it better with the feedbacks from the users like you. And so even if you see some like URLs and hey, I can just register, there's a register link, you won't be able to use the platform if you take a screenshot and try to register the URL. You would still need our own permissions. But after the beta period, it's going to be publicly available, so anyone could use it. So, conclusion, well, it's a really futuristic platform because even with the beta version of now, you can do lots of stuff really fast, really easy, and you can create, like Lego bricks, really big application platforms in a short amount of time. And you have, so the coolest part is, you have an application where either that application is really expensive or it doesn't fit your needs, so you have to create your own version. And plus, you don't know which application to use, so you have to go to the internet and look for an application which does this X purpose. You have to search them, you have to find a web service or download them to your computer or your mobile. And also you have to then integrate those applications to your own applications, to your existing application, like for your accounting and business software, mainly. So this application, this platform, Cloudberkeley, provides you all. So you just, after some time, just have to use this one application, one cloud in the future, and which will have all your applications. But that is the future, and let's see what's going to happen. And thank you for listening. I Google Translate this. I hope it's right. It's but if you have any questions, you can ask, or you can, if it is not in English, our friends can help you to translate. And thank you for listening.
Kas kellelgi on küsimusi selle tuleviku kohta?
So I registered into the system right now, and I can see there's an app called Identity Admin.
Yes.
If I do the integration with everything right now, what happens?
It is a beta feature, so you will be able to integrate, but you won't be able to use any of the features because some of the features that you will see on the cloud system has to be manually updated by us since they are controlled features. So we didn't publish that exactly. We are giving manual permissions. So you can integrate with Erply, but it is for different applications which are on the same platform, like some cool applications which are coming. And so that's why you can add integrations, real integrations with Erply, but it's a work in progress. It's a hint of a cool feature that is coming in the future. Any other questions? I hope it's a good thing that everybody understood everything. Okay, thank you again.
Thank you, Yasin.